Hello everyone. In today's video I am going to discuss one new idiom which is it takes two to tango. Tango is a one form of dance and here we are going to learn this idiom with some examples. Keep watching. The idiom is it takes two to tango means to denote that an activity needs two people who are willing to take part for it to happen. Basically, if certain things are happening or done at that time, two parties are involved, then it is responsibility of both of them. Okay. हिंदी में हम अगर कहा जाए तो ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती, तो उस इडियम के लिए ये इंग्लिश इडियम यूज़ हो सकता है जहाँ पर दो पार्टीज़ के ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, किसी एक के ऊपर ब्लेम नहीं डाल सकते हैं ऐसी सिचुएशन में. In other words, it is used to describe where two parties are involved in a situation. Fault usually lies with both if things go wrong. Rarely can any party be blamed entirely. किसी एक पार्टी के ऊपर ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते हैं, दोनों का इन्वॉल्वमेंट ज़रूरी है ऐसा बताने के लिए ये इडियम यूज़ होता है. Here I have provided the topics which are from the IELTS and Duolingo test. First is pollution, environment protection, teacher or parents' duty, curbing crimes, health issues or health problems, awareness issues, and basically this type of idiom you can use in your problem question. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन टाइप का जो ऐसे क्वेश्चन होता है वहाँ पर आप ये ईडियम यूज़ कर सकते हो, क्योंकि वहाँ पर आपको ये बताना होता है कि ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट की जिम्मेदारी नहीं है या सिर्फ सिटीज़न की जिम्मेदारी नहीं है. गवर्नमेंट और सिटीज़न दोनों को कंबाइंडली कोऑर्डिनेशन में वर्क करना पड़ेगा. ये अगर आप डिस्क्राइब करना चाहते हो तो ये ईडियम आप वहाँ पर बहुत अच्छी तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हो. Okay, you can use this idiom in certain situation where you want to tell that government and citizen has to do something to solve this problem. Okay, now let's see the example. First example is it's combined efforts of citizens and government to protect environment as it takes two to tango. Again I repeat, it's combined efforts of citizen and government to protect environment as it takes two to tango. Second example, this contact wouldn't go through unless you two are willing to compromise. It takes two to tango after all. ये अगर कहा जाए तो उसको ऐसे समझ सकते हो कि किसी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को साइन करने के लिए अगर दोनों पार्टी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करती है तो उसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन हो सकता है. दोनों पार्टी का इन्वॉल्वमेंट या कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ ज़रूरी है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज इट नीड्स कंबाइंड एफर्ट्स फॉर बोथ पेरेंट्स एंड टीचर्स टू inculcate value in children. It needs combined efforts from both parents and teachers to inculcate value in children. Next is the cab driver wanted more money and we had argued, but it takes two to tango, so I paid what he had demanded. Again I repeat, the cab driver wanted more money and we had argued, but it takes two to tango, so I paid what he had demanded. Okay, I hope this video had explained this idiom and you utilize this idiom in your writing as well and in your speaking. Thank you for watching. Please press like and share it with your friends.